Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Fine, thanks, and you?
I'm fine, thank you.
That's good. What's your name?
My name is Haris Khan.
And where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan.
Okay, great. My name is Melissa, and I'm from South Africa. Nice to meet you.
Thank you, nice to meet you.
So tell me, how can I help you today?
Yeah, I want to know how can a person improve his spoken English skill?
Okay, well, to improve your spoken skills, the first thing is to speak English as often as possible. Sometimes it's not possible to speak English every day. Then I suggest to my students to try watching English movies, English series, maybe listening to a podcast or something like that in English, and sometimes even watching YouTube channels in English and repeating what the people say. So it's very important that you can hear how English is being spoken and then maybe to copy what they say. If you can't, maybe call on Cambly and things like that.
That's good, thank you.
Great. Any other questions?
No, not any particular question.
Not. So tell me, why do you want to learn English?
First of all, I say that I love English and it is international language, so we need to learn it because we want to communicate to the world, mean to the people. So we need to learn it. And also it may be needed in the workplaces. For example, if we supposed to be work outside the country,
Mm.
so then the English will be need there.
Okay, I understand. And tell me about yourself. What do you do?
I am a student studying BS software engineering.
Oh, okay, great. Okay, that's very good. And what hobbies do you have?
Yeah, in sports I like cricket, and along with this, I have a YouTube channel in which I upload my field-related videos, software engineering. So in my free time, sometime I watch talk shows, English talk shows on YouTube.
Hmm.
So these are the
Okay. And what is your YouTube channel about?
I have actually two channel. In one channel, I upload English tutorial, and second, I upload my field related software engineering related tutorials. What I have studied, I record lecture on those topics.
Okay, understand. And is this your first time using Cambly?
No, I use Cambly often.
Okay, so you're not a free. Okay, I thought you were a trial student. That's why I thought you haven't used it yet.
Yeah.
Okay, so you don't have any other questions?
Yes.
Okay. It was nice meeting you, and I hope to see you soon.
Thank you.
Goodbye.